Alright, YouTube, y'all, this is Big Country with Big Country Survival. I've made it out about a mile. Thought I would stop and just set the scene here. Coming up here, I'm going to show you my gear and give you a few more updates into my personal preparedness. So I've got my 22 with me and my full bug out bag, and of course my partner in crime, the dog. So is definitely ready to find a creek and get some water. Alright, here it goes. Here it goes. So we're back. There's the pack. You can go back and watch my bug out bag video where I went over a good bit of this pack. This is new. This is a German sheltered poncho in Flecktarn camo. My pack, as you may or may not have known, is also German. German mountain rucksack. So we've got that. And I will be the first to admit, before I started my fitness regime and I really started hitting it hard, getting into shape and everything, I was absolutely kidding myself about hauling this pack. This has been the first time since I started that I have taken this pack out into the woods for any length of time, or even attempted carrying it for any amount of time. Yeah, no, I was kidding myself before, but happy update. I have in this past week dropped over 8 pounds, just basic diet and exercise, you know, so since I did my first weigh-in, I've dropped 13 pounds and some change, which is very good. I'm quite happy with that, and that's been, so 2 weeks I've dropped 13 pounds and like 13.5 pounds. So I'm very happy about that. You know, this pack wasn't that difficult to carry, albeit I only carried it for 2 miles, and you know, if I'd had it all day, so 2 miles in about, can't remember how long it was. I can't remember when it was that I started, but it was like an hour or two. I think it was, yeah, it was an hour. It was an hour. Best I can remember. Give or take maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Should have been about an hour. So that's good. You know, and I'm proof, guys, you can do it too. You can lose the weight. You can get in shape. I just hauled this big hulking thing, which I actually need to get on a scale and see how much it weighs. But, you know, that's 13 pounds that I am not carrying in addition to this bag, so it makes it that much easier, right? Now, as for this gun, which I'm sure everyone is interested in, this is a Stevens Model 62-22 with the composite stock, and there are some personal touches to it. I'll actually go a little more in depth in another video on the modifications and things I've added on to it. It is a semi-automatic, 10 round, 10 holds 10 plus 1. But I'll get back to you on that one. I'm also thinking about giving this bum of a dog, making her or buying her a pack, so that she can carry her own food and water. I'm not the one lugging it all, which I think is a good idea for your four-legged friend. When you're planning on bugging out with your animals, it's good to do that, but I just have not got around to it yet. So there's that, guys. Hey, best of luck to y'all. Good luck on your preps. I hope your day is as fantastic as mine. I'm pretty well at peace right now. So, anyway, I hope this encourages you. I hope to have the 22 video out in the next day or two. I might get it out today. So there's that. If you are not already subscribed, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way in helping me make these videos and whatnot. So until next time, this is Big Country with Big Country Survival. God bless.